Hello, this is Miss Honey. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I groom my eyebrows, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. I'm using the Veet Wax Strips, which I love. I buy them at Walmart, Target, or any other drugstore. I like them because they are a cloth-like material and they're good for pulling out coarse hair. Right here I am using the Badescu Facial Spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I am using a cotton swab to swipe across my eyebrows and remove any excess oil or makeup. Right here I am using an eyebrow pencil spoolie so that I can brush the hairs up and see exactly what I'm working with, what I need to trim and wax. And I'm gonna cut it in the shape of an eyebrow. So we're just gonna take it like this and cut around and over. We have this shape, cut another piece underneath and just make it in the shape of an eyebrow. There we go. And it looks like this. And I'm gonna place the strip right over the top of my eyebrow. So I'm placing it over the top. It makes a perfect shape of my brow. Be sure to rub the wax strip down for about 30 seconds. Right here. And we're just gonna hold the bottom, pull it down, and rip. You can see the hairs in there. So right here we are going to repeat the steps we just did on the other eyebrow. And then rip. Brush the hairs up on both sides. Place the other wax strip you cut out underneath your brow arch. Press firmly for 30 seconds and then rip it off. Repeat this step on your other brow, pressing for 30 seconds and then removing. Okay.
Because I really want to play Roblox with Junior.
Okay, I'll tell him. Right here I am applying the Veet Perfect Finish wipes that come in the kit. It's used to remove any excess wax. After waxing, I brush my hairs up with the spoolie and I use a pair of small sharp scissors which work really well at trimming any hairs that are longer than the top of my brow. Repeat this step on the other brow. Brush them up and then trim. I'm using a pair of tweezers to grab any hairs that might have been left over in the process.
Right now I'm using the Anastasia Browcha. That is the coolest thing on earth. If you're making a YouTube video, why didn't you just do it already? A YouTube video.
Has it?
You could have just made it and then it would be faster. It only fits one game.
Okay. I love you. Hey. I love you. In the 90s, when I was a teenager, I remember reading an article from Brandy, the singer, and she drew her eyebrows on using brush strokes. This creates a hair-like appearance, which I really love.
Mom, Junior's about to subscribe to your channel. Too late. I already told her. Yeah. So we're gonna subscribe.
Okay.
If you get a gold play button, you get a lot of money, and you could even buy me a tablet.
Okay. So right here, I am just finishing up with the Anastasia gel, and my brows will set after this. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe.